Alright, we're going to make a short video. It is September the 4th, 2012, the Tuesday. It's almost 8 o'clock. It's 95 degrees out in the shed. Me and Mike been working on this train. It's a pretty big layout actually. I think it's grown into a humongous layout. Of course, it's still in the process. Trains down here. Goes around to the city, to the roundhouse. So it's pretty good. Now Mike is going to point out some things in our detail. Oh, let's start with our hunters. Got some rabbit hunters over there. Here's one here. You got this guy here. Another guy back here. Some on the other side of the tree. A couple beagles on the other side of the tree. Let's see if I can get a shot of them beagles. Look at them doing a little hunting trackside. A little bit of woods here. Got some fishermen. Cattails are new. Guys fishing here in the shed. Then we get over to our farm, which is actually called Twin Pines because of these two pine trees. We have a hog farm here. Runs next to the tracks. Got a horse drinking from some water down there. Farmer's house. Chicken coop out in the front yard. Just the old country guy. Got cows. And it looks like he's about fell over, but little barn here. Fence. I made that out of stick and some thread. This hill, the creek. Little garden. That's the depot, which I'm missing my piece that I like. So that's a quick video. I have all the trailers over here right now, and the trucks, the semis, kind of just pulled over here because we're still working on more to come. Here is along right there. We don't have nothing yet. Need to get some more houses to put along here. That's just sitting there. Everything else, we're back to work. Putting it over here, the roundhouse. This is all still under construction, which hopefully the future video will be that being changed. Of course, the roundhouse, it'll come out to the table, spit it straight out on the main. All done in my shed. It's kind of hot in here. Everything's ran off a computer, DCC, using the Sprague, JMIR, or JMIR. I'll have to correct that, find out.